Hey Popsters! Welcome to another exciting session where we push our limits and discover new strengths. Ready to take your Pilates practice to the next level? Today we're diving deep into the world of advanced wall Pilates, a unique and challenging way to enhance your fitness journey. We're about to dive into the incredible world of advanced wall Pilates. This practice is designed to elevate your routine, incorporating the wall as a versatile tool to intensify your workouts. This isn't your beginner's mat work. Get ready to build serious core strength, flexibility, and balance. The wall adds an extra dimension to your exercises, making each move more effective and engaging. Wall Pilates is amazing because it uses your own body weight for resistance. This method not only challenges your muscles, but also helps in improving your posture and alignment. This helps you develop a deep understanding of your muscles. You'll feel every movement, every contraction, and every stretch, leading to a more mindful and effective workout. Plus, the wall acts as a guide and support system. It ensures that you maintain proper form and alignment, reducing the risk of injury and maximizing the benefits of each exercise. Think of it as having your own personal Pilates instructor. The wall provides constant feedback, helping you to correct and perfect your movements. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just looking for a new challenge, these advanced moves will push your limits and leave you feeling absolutely sculpted. Each session is designed to target different muscle groups, ensuring a comprehensive workout. Are you up for the challenge? Let's do this. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the stronger and more flexible you'll become. So grab your mat, find a sturdy wall, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Advanced Wall Pilates is not just a workout, it's a path to discovering your inner strength and resilience. Let's embrace the challenge and transform our bodies and minds. Ready? Let's begin. First up, we're tackling handstand prep. This is an essential step for anyone looking to master the art of handstands. It's not just about flipping upside down, it's about building the foundation you need to do it safely and effectively. Don't worry, this isn't about magically getting upside down, unless you're ready. Handstand prep is all about taking it one step at a time. It's perfectly okay to feel a bit intimidated at first, but with practice, you'll gain the confidence you need. This move builds the strength and confidence you need for inversions. By practicing regularly, you'll notice improvements in your upper body strength, core stability, and overall balance. These are crucial elements for performing a handstand. Start facing the wall about an arm's length away. This distance is important because it allows you to create the right angle when you walk your feet up the wall. Make sure you have a workout mat on the floor to protect your hands and wrists. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. This position provides a stable base and helps distribute your weight evenly. It's important to keep your fingers spread wide for better grip and balance. Walk your feet up the wall, creating an inverted L shape with your body. This position might feel challenging at first, but it's a great way to get used to the sensation of being upside down. Take your time and move slowly to maintain control. Engage your core, keep your back straight, and press through your palms. Engaging your core is crucial for maintaining stability and preventing your lower back from arching. Pressing through your palms helps activate your shoulder muscles, providing additional support. Hold this for 30 seconds, gradually increasing the time as you build strength. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to hold the position with proper form for a shorter time than to compromise your form for a longer hold. Focus on form and control. Pay attention to your body alignment and make adjustments as needed. Consistent practice with the right technique will help you progress faster and prevent injuries. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be ready to take your handstand skills to the next level. Next, let's fire up those abs with wall scissors. Stand facing the wall about a foot away with your feet hip-width apart. Lean forward and place your forearms on the wall, elbows aligned with shoulders. Engage your core and lift one leg straight behind you. Keeping both legs straight, alternate lifting each leg in a controlled scissoring motion. Imagine slicing the air with your toes. Now let's work towards those splits with wall-assisted splits. This move is fantastic for improving flexibility in your hamstrings and hip flexors. Start by standing facing the wall, about a leg's length away. Place your hands on the wall for balance. Step one foot back, gradually sliding it back until you feel a stretch in your front hamstring. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply into the stretch. Repeat on the other side. Ready for a balance challenge? The teaser pose against the wall is here to test your core strength and stability. Sit facing the wall with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly and place your hands on the wall behind you, fingers pointing forward. Engage your core and lift your feet off the floor, bringing your shins parallel to the floor. Keep your back straight and chest lifted. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then slowly lower back down. Section 6, Elevated Wall Plank Walk, taking your plank to new heights. It's plank time, but with a twist. This isn't your ordinary plank. We're taking it up a notch to challenge your core strength and stability. The elevated wall plank walk will have your entire core screaming, in a good way, of course. This exercise not only targets your abs, but also engages your shoulders, back, and even your legs. Begin in a plank position with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hands resting on the wall at shoulder height. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. This is crucial for maintaining proper form and preventing any strain on your lower back. Now, walk your hands up the wall as high as you can comfortably go while maintaining a strong plank. This movement will test your balance and coordination, making it a full body workout. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly walk your hands back down. Remember to breathe steadily throughout the exercise to keep your muscles oxygenated and to help maintain your focus. This exercise is not just about physical strength, it's also a mental challenge. Concentrate on each movement and stay focused on maintaining your form. Before you start, make sure to warm up your muscles to prevent any injuries. A good warm-up can include dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings. After completing your sets, don't forget to cool down. Stretching your muscles post-workout helps in recovery and reduces muscle soreness. The elevated wall plank walk is a fantastic way to take your fitness routine to the next level. Not only will you build a stronger core, but you'll also improve your overall stability and endurance. Try incorporating this exercise into your regular workout routine, and you might even want to challenge a friend or join a fitness class for added motivation and fun. Keep track of your progress in a fitness journal. Note how long you can hold the plank and how high you can walk your hands up the wall. This will help you see your improvements over time. And remember, staying hydrated is key. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout to keep your body functioning at its best. Set realistic goals for yourself and gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. Consistency is the key to seeing results. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Every step forward is progress, and you deserve to feel proud of your hard work. Plan your next workout session and keep pushing your limits. The elevated wall plank walk is just one of many exercises that can help you reach your fitness goals. Stay motivated, stay focused, and most importantly, have fun with your fitness journey. You're doing great, and the best is yet to come. Section 7. Listen to your body. It's your best Pilates partner. Remember, Popsters, these are advanced moves. It's important to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. Focus on proper form and control, and don't be afraid to modify the exercises if needed. Progression is key. Start with holding each pose for a shorter duration or doing fewer reps. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the intensity. Section 8. Share your wall Pilates journey and inspire others. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these advanced wall Pilates moves? What are your favorite ways to challenge yourself with Pilates? Share your experiences, tips, and progress photos on social media using #AdvancedWallPilots and tag me at Blogalates. I love seeing your dedication and inspiring each other on our fitness journeys. Section 9. Ready for more? Designing your custom wall Pilates routine. Want to create your own personalized wall Pilates routine? Stay tuned. In our next post, we'll be diving into how to design a custom workout plan that aligns with your fitness goals and experience level. Get ready to unleash your inner Pilates pro, only found on Calwain Health TV. Like, share, and subscribe.